For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video from Filmy Mantra.
कटरीना कटरीना
ये पांडे
सब गए यार उधर।
क्या आगे आगे जा रहे पीछे आओ ना
मैम यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे
कैटरीना वो या कैटरीना कैटरीना यहाँ पे कैटरीना कैटरीना दिस साइड कैटरीना कैटरीना दिस साइड डाउन
हाँ बोलना साइड में भाई साइड में आ जा दादा थोड़ा सा
सलमान सर सलमान सर सलमान सर सलमान सर
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seat. It is a great honor for me personally that Veena ji
Party, I'm not going to do that. That was my, since 84, continuously she and I have been friends, we have been in touch every few months, every few whatever occasion. Wildlife, I started with Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, Siberian cranes, they intrigued me, so I went there to take their pictures. I think I have got a picture which is the last pair of Siberian cranes that have come to India. Now they have become extinct. Then in 2002 was my first brush with the tiger in Bandhavgarh. The kind of tiger pictures I got, I never expected. The lesson that I have learned from wildlife, of course I can't speak for Mike Pandey is here, Balendu is here, but I must give you my feeling, and that is definitely whom we call wild animals are more gentle, more sincere than any of us. Human beings store food for months and years. A tiger kills a deer. Till he finishes that deer 2 days, he doesn't kill another deer. He doesn't kill for pleasure, he kills for food. we human beings kill for pleasure, which shows we are wild, they are not wild. We are calling them wild. Last,
when I'm in Ranthambore, I can talk till the tigers come home, but here I will let Mrs. Beena Kak please to address all of us and tell us about your book.
Good evening, everyone. So normally, इस तरह की तो जो किताबें होती हैं, they are written by or published, compiled by wildlife experts, professional photographers, and wildlife enthusiasts. This book is by a novice. When I started holding the camera, I wasn't an expert, and I'm still not. And it is by a woman minister who was given this responsibility of looking after forests and environment. During my 2 terms as minister, we worked hard to improve the ecology of the jungles. Ranthambore, to create synergies between wildlife, tourism, and well-being of the communities living around the forests. With our collective efforts, we succeeded. As Balendu ji would know, we started with 25 tigers and close monitoring, supervising. There are now 70 tigers there. When I was given the charge of this Ministry of Forest and Environment, I grabbed it with both my hands. That is what took me to this fascinating world of forests and wildlife. There, it was love at first sight. Love with the forest, the tigers, and all forms of life there, the habitat, ecology. That love made me pick up a camera for the first time in my life. Photography first became a hobby, then a passion, and now it's become like a sickness. I keep looking for frames, either with my professional camera, and now with my mobile phone cameras also. I mean, it's honestly like a sickness, like my daughter tells me कि ये फिर लग पड़ी हैं. The latest subject has been Salman Khan in the flight above the clouds. So if he's sitting in front of me, anything that sort of catches my attention, I just cannot stop. वो खुजली होने लगती है हाथ में. So bear with me, please. Mike Pandey, my friend, my guru, my guide, was the first to push me towards photography. It was he who told me what equipment to buy, how to press the button, how to click, how to make frames. And he encouraged me like a बच्चे को जैसे कोई खिलौना मिल जाता है और वो फिर ढूंढता है कि किस तरह से इसे काम में लिए जाए. And I used to be so passionate about each picture I would send to him. मतलब एक कहानी लिख के उसका जवाब आता था कि क्या मतलब वो तस्वीर कैसी भी होती होगी, लेकिन he would just go on about that picture, you know. So मैं सोचती थी यार ये तो बहुत अच्छा है. And then I became greedy. I wanted to do better and better and better. There were two other people, Desh Bandhu, who's not here today, he's in Ranthambore, and Balendu Singh ji, who helped me with the nitty-gritties of photography, cameras, and Madhu Bhavisa, who's sitting there, used to feed me. अब सुबह 6 बजे मेरा खाना बन के चला जाता था, because she would not know कि मैं वापस कब आऊँगी. 50 degrees गर्मी के अंदर, sitting 8 hours for one tiger. You know, I just get carried away. There was a tiger once, and we felt it was standing in the bushes. 10 minute हुए, 15 minute हुए, वो खड़ा ही रहा और निकल ही नहीं रहा था. 1.5 या 2 घंटे के बाद पता चला कि वो तो बैठा हुआ था. And we realized that it is the largest tiger in Ranthambore. So I wanted to photograph that tiger. You won't believe, for 8 hours that tiger did not come out. And we were sitting there, सर में पानी डाल रहे हैं, ठंडा कर रहे हैं अपने आप को, but that is the passion. Balendu Bana's knowledge about jungles also and habitat was like a boon. And their love, Mike, Desh Bandhu, Balendu, Rahul Bhatnagar is here from the forest department here. That sort of rubbed me off. तो कभी-कभी ये शौक हॉबी जुनून बन जाता है और जुनून जिंदगी बन जाती है और रूमी भाई वही मेरे साथ हुआ. The knowledgeable, experienced and wildlife loving forest department drivers, like I would start with drivers, not the higher ups. Ranjit, who was with me for almost 10 years, driving me around, he knew more than all of you. जितने भी आप IFS बैठे हैं, more than you all, Ranjit knew. Abhay Singh, my driver, forest officers like Mr. Soni, Mr. Brar, Mr. Reddy, Mr. Sahu, Rahul Bhatnagar, many others guided and taught me at every step. All of them have been my gurus, guided me at every step, and I salute all of them. My love for the tigers and passion for photography has been also life-giving. I was detected with breast cancer. It was during those long and difficult months of undergoing chemotherapy and radiation, this is the first time I'm talking about it, that I started and editing these photographs. Thought about sharing my feelings with photos with others. This kept me connected with life, and it became my lifeline. And here I am, happy and kicking. मैं बाघों के कुनबे के बारे में, अपने बारे में सोचती रहती थी. सब बाघों के रिश्तों का पता था. कौन किसका बेटा है, कौन किसकी माँ है, कौन किसकी बहनें हैं. So this is where I have captured the families of Ranthambore, families in Ranthambore. Photography taught me to be patient, to just wait, to accept what I got. All very important life skills. Going to the forest, for me, like a detox regime. And it's like meditation. When you are focusing on one subject for hours, you forget about the rest of the world. So this is what they say, meditation karo. मैंने कहा हाँ मैं बहुत करती हूँ जंगल में जाके. My sister Kamla and I first did a book for children called Sultan Ka Jangal. It is published in 9 languages by Tulika Books, and that is about one mother and son, tiger pair, Noor and Sultan. And now this book is for children and adults. I'm grateful to Roli Books, Mr. Pramod Kapoor, his daughter Priya Kapoor, for publishing this book and bearing with a person who had no clue about getting the books done, तो उन्हें भी बहुत परेशान किया. कभी chapter नहीं गया, तो कभी तस्वीर नहीं गई, तो कभी editing ठीक नहीं हुई. So it took me about 3 years to come out with this book. I'm beholden to all my gurus whom I have already named for their guidance, support, and encouragement. I'm very grateful to my young friend Yusuf Ansari for helping me with the text and his expert input, without which this book would not have been. And Archana for being there whenever I got stuck anywhere. Sorry, Archana, I really bothered you a lot. आज सुबह भी तंग कर रही थी कि ट्वीट के लिए फोटो बना दे. I feel totally blessed by His Holiness the Dalai Lama. There could not have been anyone better than him to write a foreword and to remind us of the interdependence between all the sentient beings and the urgency to live more ecologically. Kamal Morarka ji, Vijay Kalantri Bhai and your team, you have been more than generous in hosting and organizing this event. It was just a phone call and all was done. Thank you very much, Vikas, your team. Last but not the least, Salman, my friend, my brother, like son. I'm glad and grateful to have you in my life and to have you here today to release this book. It's all about an awareness to protect tigers. You have always stood by me like a rock, Salman, like a brother, not like a rock star. You have given me a new dream and added a new aspect to my life, that is films. Salim Saab, Salma ji, Helen, and all the other family members for their love and support. Fortunate are those who have this amazing family in their lives, and I'm one of them. Thank you very much. Thank you, Katrina, for taking time for me. That's lovely. I know you're busy with promotions, Ali, your team, and I thank all of you who have taken the time to be here today to share this very important day in my life. In the end, I dedicate this book to my grandchildren, Kabir and Jawahar, and the next generation, hoping that they all live in love, peace, and harmony amongst themselves and Mother Nature. Tiger zinda hai aur tiger zinda rahega. Ali, best of luck with your film. It has been granted. Certificate hamara mil gaya hai, so all the best to you and your team. Thank you very much, friends from the press, for coming here. Thank you all. Thank you, Shera, and your team. Thank you very much.
May I request Choti Baisa, Miss Amrita Kak Junjunwala, to please come and present bouquets to the guests on the dais. It's Beena ji was saying that, you know, she's blessed and she's fortunate she was able to do this book, but an artist par excellence, she also knows that there are no retakes in wildlife photography. may I please request, yes, to open. At this time, I request Mr. Mike Pandey, one of the greatest wildlife photographers that we have in our country today, to please come up on the stage and say a few words.
Hello, everyone. What do I say? A few years ago, maybe 3-4 years ago, I met Bina. And I asked her one question. I think you're the minister and you go around the park and you come back empty-handed. And you must be narrating stories and talking about your experiences. How about documenting them? And that's where the journey started. And the book, I think personally, is titled wrongly. It should be called The Silent Love Affair of Bina Kak with Nature. Because I have been filming wildlife. I live in the jungles and the highest mountains and the most dangerous places, and even tigers. But when Bina Kak used to come into the jungle, we were there sitting for about 8 to 10 hours, no tigers, and suddenly tigers start raining. They used to appear from everywhere. So that's why I'm saying it's a love affair. Wherever she went, the tigers were there. And if you look at this picture, a tigress is most dangerous when it has its cub. She'll kill to protect them. But there's not even a grimace on this tigress's face. So it shows the type of affinity, the connect Bina Kak had with wild animals, with nature. And several times, because of her photography, she could zoom in and even detect worms in a tigress, and immediately the forest department was there. It saved, removed, operated the tigress and saved its life. So this comes from a journey of compassion. We are the only species on this planet that has the ability to process information. Why make a film on tigers? Why make a photograph book on photography on tigers? The earth we live in and upon is in serious trouble today. All of you sitting here have a connect with the tiger. And what's the connect? You all drink fresh water. 67% of the fresh water on this planet comes from our forests, recycled, purified. 87% of the food that we eat, the fruits that we eat, and we never think of the honeybee, the butterfly, and 5 insects that pollinate $14 trillion worth of food and food grains on the planet. Without them, we cannot survive. If the bee dies, we will be dead, we'll be wiped out within 1 year. How many of us think about that? There have to be people like Bina who bring out this book to generate awareness so that you look at it, motivate, inspire you to protect what nature created so that we could live in peace. We cannot live in isolation. We are the weakest species on this planet. And it's only when you understand the value of each creature nature created that you will protect it. And believe me, we need an intact nature and not a fragmented, fractured world, which we have done. Our activities have destroyed the world. Climate change, polluted water, all is affecting us. And the water in Delhi, for example, it's got millions and millions times more mercury and cadmium, even in Bombay, and which is injuring your brain, your bodies. But somebody has, health is the most precious thing on this planet. Money cannot create even a drop of water. So I think more needs to be done. I told Beena, this is her first work. This is the appetizer. The bigger world is waiting out there. Many doors have opened for her. And I'm really very happy today that it has the backing of Salman, and Katrina is here. It needs the stalwarts of my country to push the cause of nature. The earth is the mother. It's a mother of millions of species, like your own mother gave life and form to you. The earth has given form, ensures that millions of species live in harmony. But today it is in danger, it is in trouble. And work like this are the catalysts that will change the world. So I request support from all of you, and every single one. No rules can save the tiger. No laws can protect the tiger. It's only when people change, then things change. And you, every single one of you, have to take the step. And only then change will occur. I still believe I made a few films which brought about legislation and changes in the country and in the world also. And I still believe cinema is the most powerful medium to reach out to people. And I won't talk much about it, because you can see Salman's film when they come. There is a volcano eruption all across the country. So cinema reaches to the extreme grassroots levels, touches the minds and souls and the heart of people, and change can happen. We want change. We want the world to change. We need more Beena Kaks. We need more Salman Khans. And the future, today, I think we need to sensitize our youngsters who are so involved in technology and all that, they've forgotten the emotional quotient is going out. The connect is breaking out. We have to reconnect to the earth, which enables millions of species, 7 billion of us, to survive. Is it fair that 70 billion livestock creatures, animals are killed every year to feed a handful of people? That's how many animals, 70 billion. Our population is only 7 billion. But 70 billion animals are farmed and killed and slaughtered. And that has created greenhouse gases, which is tipping the balance of the planet. I see that we need to make a film, definitely, here's a hint, which reaches out to the youth of the country, to the people, sensitize, tell them when they know the meaning of each creature, the value each life form brings, then only will transformation take place. And we need to make a difference, and films will make a difference. And books like these are the catalysts. So I'm really grateful to all of you for being here, and to Beena for bringing out this book, and Rolly Books. I think Rolly Books have done a great job, and I keep staring at this front picture. And I'm hoping that one day I'll meet a tigress with a baby who just gives me a loving look rather than a snarl. Thank you.
Thank you, Mike. In fact, it is through books like these and films
मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि मेरे बात कोई बोलने वाला है क्या? नहीं, उसकी एक वजह है। उसकी एक वजह है कि पहले आजकल कभी भी कोई आता है, डिमांड आता है किसी फंक्शन का, तो सब में पहले पूछा जाता है कि सर 15 तारीख को सलमान खान साहब क्या कर रहे हैं? मैंने कहा वो 15 तारीख को यहाँ है नहीं, वो बाहर हैं, आउट ऑफ कंट्री हैं। साहब अरबाज भाई क्या कर रहे हैं? मैंने कहा अरबाज भाई हैं, शूटिंग कर रहे हैं। सर वो सोहेल भाई 15 तारीख को अवेलेबल हैं? मैंने कहा नहीं, वो भी उनके साथ ही शूटिंग कर रहे हैं। सर वो हेलन जी का क्या है, हेलन जी मिलेंगी 15 तारीख को? मैंने कहा नहीं, एक्चुअली तो सर हम आपको बुलाना चाह रहे थे। ये मैं भी यहाँ खड़ा हूँ बोलने के लिए, बहुत दिनों बाद मेरे सामने माइक आया है, इसलिए मैंने पूछा कि कोई मेरे बात बोलने वाला है, उसका कोई चांस नहीं है। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट वीना जी। और ये किताब जो है ये बीना जी ने नहीं लिखी है, ये इट इज़ रिटन बाय अ टाइग्रेस कॉल्ड बीना काक।
I request Ms. Katerina Kaif to please come up and say a few words.
Well, okay, so I'm not prepared for this, but all I really would like to say is I've known Beena ji for a very long time, and she really is like almost like a member. I'm like a member of her family, I think. I don't think I've met a more wonderful, sweet, warm, and welcoming person, and I think it's absolutely amazing what you're doing with this book. And I really encourage everyone to go out there and read it, because if Beena ji is doing something like this, and you can be assured that it's for a very good reason and will really be amazing. Thank you so much, and thank you for having me here, Beena ji. I'm reading that book there.
It is my honor now to invite Mr. Salman Khan sir, to please come up on the stage and say a few words.
करेक्ट चीज़ तो कटरीना बोल के गई कि जाओ ये किताब खरीदो। मैं एंडोर्स करती हूँ इस पर। अच्छा, हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि हम यहाँ पे टाइगर जिंदा है की प्रमोशन करने आए हैं या बीना बाजी का बुक लॉन्च करने आए हैं। ये एक्चुअली पहले भी हुआ था जब अली और मैं सुल्तान कर रहे थे, तो हम लोग रणथंभौर जाने वाले थे। वो एक सुल्तान टाइगर जिसके ऊपर आपने किताब निकाली थी, तो वो तो हुआ नहीं। फिर पता नहीं एक था टाइगर के बाद टाइगर जिंदा है आ गई, और इनकी किताब भी एक सेम टाइम पर लॉन्च होने वाली थी, लॉन्च होने वाली थी। तो कोइंसिडेंटली तो ये हो गया, दोनों की बेनिफिट में ये आ गया। और इस विषय पे मैं जितना कम बात करूँ उतना अच्छा है मेरे लिए। बट आई टोटली एग्री विद कमल जी कि वाइल्ड एनिमल बहुत जेंटल होता है जी, more than human beings. Yes, I totally agree with that, 100%. और सर माइक पांडे सर, आपने बीना बाजी को बहुत अच्छे एडवाइस दी है कि टाइगर के बाद पैंथर, पैंथर के बाद लोमड़ी, लोमड़ी के बाद बी। तो आई थिंक हर साल हमको यहाँ पर होना पड़ेगा। और मेरी लाइफ BBM पर बर्बाद हो जाएगी, क्योंकि जब बीना बाजी जाती हैं फॉरेस्ट में, तो वहाँ से कुछ 50 तस्वीरें मुझे रोज़ आ जाती हैं। हाँ, कि ये कैसा है, पहले तो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अमेजिंग है, इनक्रेडिबल, बहुत लंबे वापस से जाते थे टेक्स्ट, दिस इज सुपर, फिर हुआ वेरी नाइस, फिर हुआ नाइस, फिर हुआ के तो ये है। तो आई थिंक नेक्स्ट ईयर, आई थिंक इसी समय पर अगर अली या कबीर ने डिसाइड किया कि लोमड़ी जिंदा है या कुछ बिल्ली का अटैक, कोई ऐसी कोई पिक्चर डिसाइड किया, तो उसके लिए आ जाएंगे हम लोग यहाँ पर। Thank you very much, and I think it's a great book because I've seen all the pictures much before they have released, which I just mentioned, and yes, so I will not take any credit अगर तारीफ नहीं हुई तो इस किताब की, but I'm sure that this book, I've seen all the pictures and I've seen them, you know, when she shot them, and they're really, really nice and really beautiful. And thank you. And Tiger जिंदा है और जिंदा रहेगा इंशाल्लाह हमेशा.
I request Mr. Vijay Kalantri to give a vote of thanks.
We are grateful to Beena ji for giving us an opportunity to launch this book today. Genuinely, the book is very good because we are going through some of the photographs and all. Beena ji, wish you all the best. We are grateful to Salman Khan for coming here to launch the book along with Madam Katrina Kaif. So I wish him all the best for his new forthcoming film also. Of course, Morarka Foundation always comes forward to do all these good things as and when we launch. This is the third book we are launching in last 2 years. We had launched, last was Shatrughan Sinha's book in the same hotel, and this is the second book this year we are launching. So we are grateful to all of them who has given an opportunity. Salim Bhai, you and your family for being here with us and spending your valuable time, and Mr. Mike Pandey and friends, and all the media and the audience who is here with us. Because I think all have spoken about the book, I did not. But thank you very much. Thank you for coming here. Thank you.
I invite all the guests to please join us for high tea at this moment. Thank you very much. If we can please move just behind you where the high tea is. Please, if we can move just by the pool side where the high tea is being served, we'll all come there after signing the books.
चले भाई नीचे ले
पिक्चर करा किधर जा रहा है किधर धक्का दे रहा है स्टेज पे भी चला गया
Excuse me, ma'am, हो गया. Excuse me, ma'am.
सर ग्रुप फोटो
सर भाई ग्रुप फोटो
भाईजान
ग्रुप फोटो
हेलो ग्रुप फोटो
नीचे बैठ गया आगे नीचे बैठ भाई यहाँ पे सामने
बीना जी ये वहीं आया ना कितना आया ना लागलं का भाई चलो
भाई अभी मैं कुछ ले लूँ, मैं सेल्फी नहीं ले रहा, 1 मिनट। कहाँ है?
ये आगे मत जाओ, ये सीधा आ जा आ जा आ जा सही है। So on your left.
Babu sir.
Babu sir.
Thank you, sir.